it's me again. I got a cutie right here. Look at the screen. No, look at the screen. Yeah. This might be only like a 1 minute or a couple second video. I just want to show you this little doggy. Why that? Because my phone has some data that needs to be cleared. But this is a cutie doggy I wanted to show and put it on YouTube. She's so cute and so tiny. Literally, she's just this big. And she's like, how old is Freya? About like an adult. Is Freya adult? Yeah, you heard. She's an adult and she's this tiny. But it's so cute. Yeah, this is her song. Cause look, come on, Freya. Come on, let's dance. Right, come on. Call her. Oh. Awkward. For help lowering your blood sugar, talk to your doctor. Come on, Freya. Mama, I'll stay. Come on, put on the song. Hold on. I'm stealing her phone. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Hold on. You left it open. If we consolidate suppliers, what's the case? No. Oh man. See? No. And look at. She's so cute. Come on. I hope you guys can see this. Here's the camera. I'm trying to get as good a shot as I can. I have it kind of backwards. I'm sorry, guys. Well, guys, sorry about this little video. But I just wanted to show you this cute dog. So cute. And we were about to do Minecraft. I'll probably just cut this video in with a Minecraft little video.
But you don't know how to.
So,
Ignore that.
I'll pause and be right back. But I don't know how to, so.
Are you just gonna hold your camera up to the screen the whole time?
I'll figure out a way, okay? I might just do Minecraft in a different video, but sorry. And this is my computer. Hey, everybody! Sponsored Dell. Yeah. Do it to DY, PY or whatever it's called, HP, and do it to Dell. They have really good computers. They're really cool, and yeah.
My computer's crappy.
Whoever owns that place, don't take that personal. I love your computer.
Yes, you get very personal.
Actually, it's kind of crappy. Really, I'm serious. Whoever you are, check your computers. I'm sorry about that. That's freaky.
Bye, guys. We'll see you guys later.
Yeah. So please leave a like.
Guys, I want you to see my skin.
Oh yeah.
It sounds a little weird, but
Yeah. Remember when she changed her skin? Ready, guys?
I'm on the Hypixel server.
Oh, I fell. Oh, crap. Ugh. This is her skin.
I'm on the Hypixel server, so yeah, that's the back of my skin. Go away, you stupid cow.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna play.
Favorite color.
That's what we are gonna be playing on in a sec. We also gonna be playing Walking Dead.
Guys, as you might have heard in one of my videos or another one of his videos, his skin
Is
he
out.
messed up, and when he was downloading Minecraft, and why is he dropping sprinkles everywhere? What? There are multiple
Hacks. I call hacks.
No, it's a thing.
That's just weird.
But yeah, guys,
I'm stuck.
hopefully we'll try to find a way to get up.
I'm stuck.
Don't touch me.
I'm serious. I'm falling. No, Freya. Just look at Freya.
Alright, bye guys. We'll see you guys later.
All right, please leave a like, subscribe.
Why are you flying? You can't. I will see you guys later.
Sponsored Cute Dogs. Bye.